Imagine a world where everything around you is composed of tiny particles. That's chemistry in action. It's the study of matter and its interactions. Today, let's explore the key concepts of chemistry and uncover the magic behind everyday phenomena. Chemistry is divided into several disciplines. First, we have organic chemistry. This branch focuses on carbon-containing compounds. It's essential in pharmaceuticals and petrochemicals. Next, there's inorganic chemistry. This deals with minerals and metals, affecting industries like electronics and construction. Then we have analytical chemistry. This is about analyzing materials to understand their composition. Techniques like chromatography help in this field. Environmental chemistry studies how chemicals impact the environment. It's crucial for pollution control and sustainable practices. Biochemistry combines biology and chemistry. It studies living organisms at a molecular level. Understanding biochemistry can lead to advancements in medicine and agriculture. Finally, physical chemistry looks at the physical properties of molecules. It bridges physics and chemistry, explaining phenomena like heat and energy transfer. Let's visualize these disciplines with an example. Think of a cake. The ingredients represent different chemistry branches. Flour is organic chemistry, as it's made of carbon. Sugar represents inorganic chemistry, it's a mineral. The mixing process is like analytical chemistry, measuring out components. And baking illustrates physical chemistry, changing states of matter with heat. In summary, chemistry is vast and diverse. Each discipline plays a unique role in our world. From creating life-saving drugs to understanding climate change. Embracing chemistry opens doors to innovation and discovery. Now that you know the basics of chemistry's disciplines, dive deeper. Explore online resources or local classes. Share your newfound knowledge and spark curiosity in others.